Prabhupada said, Iskcon is my body. I am a devotee of Srila Prabhupada, but I don't like Iskcon. How can that be? Is it possible? I love you, Srila Rameswar Swami, but I don't like your body. How is it possible? I like his transcendental, beautiful form, his sweet lotus words, everything about him if I like him. His associates, everything. Krishna, I like you, but I don't like your body. In the spiritual world, there's no difference. Of course, this material body is different from the spiritual body, but a pure devotee's body becomes spiritually enlivened. It becomes holy. Because it's fully dedicated to Krishna. Even if one says, oh, that's a material body. No, it may be material to your eyes, but because it's fully engaged in Krishna's service, it has also become sanctified. But especially when Prabhupada said that my body is Iskcon. How can we see Iskcon as separate? Krishna, I love you, but I don't like your body. Is it possible? Is there a difference in Prabhupada from Krishna's body? Is there a difference in Prabhupada and his body? When he says that Iskcon is my body, he means that if you love me, then you love this association of devotees joined together to cooperate for the purpose of preaching the message of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.